morning. Long way down. Alright, up underneath there, that's where the fender bolt's on. We got some rust holes, so I gotta rebuild it. 4 of the bolt holes we gotta change. I don't know if it'll focus. Yeah, you can see where I got it marked out. Alright, so I got this patch made. These little slots here, they're for one of these. You'll see up in here, there's one there. So, let me turn you here. Maybe just go on the back side, like that. And these little ears fold over. Good. Drop it down. Christ, that's a long way down for an old man. Just put them in there and fold the ears over. No welding. You're done. I got it marked out. We're going to cut it out. Then we'll take the other 3 of them, or 2 of them out, put in this, get it painted. I'll work on the next hole. Alright. Alright, we got the patch panel all fitted in. I'll start tack welding it. Got the fitment pretty good. It'll need a little heating and beating along the way, but we'll get her. Got all the, where you put the bolts. Well, if I can get it to focus here. Yeah, there we are. Where you put the bolts in. To bolt the fender on. We got 3 of them. Got them in. When we get that done, then we got to work on this one. Got some holes right there. See up through. Okay. I get the welder set up and I'll be back. Because I hate welding this way, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, show you what I got done. I got this piece all put in right up through here. And now we got that piece we had to cut out. We're going to put some new piece in. Got my template right here, all marked out. Where this goes, it's right here. Oops, right here. So I went over on the bench. And I made another one, another patch panel, right here. Okay, got a hole in it. Got to plug weld that there in. That's a brace that runs up here to the door. So we got to have that. So that'll go in there like that. As soon as I get it trimmed to fit. Here and there, I got to do a little grinding here and there. We'll get that in there. All right. You know what I forgot? One of the most important tools of the day. A goddamn hammer. There. It is officially tacked in. All we gotta do now is go back and roll it all up. That'll take a minute or 2. But you get the idea of what we're doing. So, I reckon I'll just shut you down for now and I'll come back to you later. When we get her all in, and then I'll give you a picture of it. Alright, we got it all in. Ground down nice and clean. We got the back one all done. All I gotta do now is throw a little bit of primer on it. And that part's done. We can go on to the next one. Is up in the front. I'll take you up and show you. Yeah, right down there. All them little holes. That's my next piece. So we're going to start in on that. See how far up here we got to come. Got some good pitting, so we might have to come up into here. Don't know yet. Till we get it cut apart. I'll try to leave that seam there and right along here. We'll see what we got when we get in there. All right.